Hello everyone, and today we will turn this car into this and see how much powerful it has become. Don't forget to put like and subscribe. Let's do this! Now I will arrange several drag races to check whether a self-made racing car will be better than racing cars made by manufacturers. Also, they are twice as expensive than this one. It should be noted that the test may not have been eye to eye due to the fact that I am not a professional driver, but I played on completely realistic game settings. That is, every time I changed gears, I had to press the clutch, switch gears on the gearbox, press the gas further, and at the same time I had to hold the car with one hand on the steering wheel. But here are our results. The car defeated many of its rivals, which are many times more expensive. Also, it is difficult for it to compete with modern race cars, with their electronic stabilization and regular distribution systems. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for the channel, I have a lot of interesting auto content for you.